welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve 13 number school Bardhaman Municipal High School multiple choice type questions রয়েছে। তো তোমরা দেখে নাও। The narrator of the story The Ice Habit was going to The narrator of the story The Ice Habit was going to সেটা করবে দেহরাদুন থেকে তারপর মসুরি হবে। The question that APJ Abdul Kalam asked his father once was about the relevance of prayer. When the wounded man revived, he asked for drink. On entering room, Mrs. Jones asked Roger to wash his face. Not much pain will do it. The pain is caused due to the hacking and chopping. A Shakespearean sonnet has 3 quatrains and a couplet. According to Keats, the music of earth ceases at no point of time. What was the Arthur Rimbaud's nationality? French. He has come to borrow money. The speaker is Chubukov. According to Lomov, Natalia is an excellent housekeeper who has humpbacked Chubukov's mother. Why talk wrote? The speaker is Natalia. ACQ question But according to the narrator, few girls can resist. According to the narrator, few girls can resist flattery. What according to APJ Abdul Kalam's father does adversity always offer? According to APJ Abdul Kalam's father, adversity always offer opportunities for introspection. What did Jar do to meet the hermit? The Jar put on simple clothes, got down from his horse, and leaving his bodyguard behind went to the wood alone to meet the hermit. What were the parting words of Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones to Roger? The parting words of Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones were, "Good night, behave yourself." What did the new passenger say about the girl's eyes? The new passenger said that the girl had beautiful eyes, but they were of no use to her. In which town was APJ Abdul Kalam born? APJ Abdul Kalam was born in the island town of Rameswaram in the erstwhile Madras state. What did Roger manage to say at the end? Roger only managed to say thank you at the end. What did the Jar see when he reached the hermit's hut? When the Jar reached the hermit's hut, he saw a frail and weak hermit dragging the ground in front of his hut. Which 2 words are used in describe the root of the tree? The 2 words that use describe the root of tree are white and wet. So long live this. What is referred to by the word this? Here this refers to the Shakespeare sonnet number 18. What streams from the mountain top? The rays of the sun streams from the mountain top. What happens when the miniature boughs are left unchecked? Miniature boughs will grow to former size if left unchecked. What shall death not bark about in Shakespeare's poem? In Shakespeare's poem, death shall not bark about the charming existence of the poet's friend. What does cricket song seem to one in drowsiness have lost? The cricket song seems to be the song of the grasshopper to one in drowsiness have lost. Where does the stream leap long strands of silver? The stream leaves long strands of silver on the bright grass. Grammar portion, grammar gulo dekho, do as direct. She led him down to the hall. She opened the front door. Leading him down the hall, she opened the front door. The 2 men, each in tradition attire, were discussing spiritual matters. Questions. Spiritual matters were being discussed by the 2 men, each in traditional attire. Few girls can resist flattery. Negative karo. Most girls cannot resist flattery. Why don't you say these 2 people who came to you for help and advice? I asked my father. Narration korbe, I asked my father why he did not say that to people who come to him for help and advice. I feel convinced that There exists a divine power. Compound sentence. I feel convinced there exists a power and it is divine. Article preparation. I was one dash many children. I was one of many children. A short boy with rather distinguished looks, born to tall and handsome parents. We lived in our ancestral house, which has built in the middle of 19th century. The water dripped from his face, and the boy looked at her. Correct errors হবে drip থেকে dripping. বড় কোশ্চেন্স এর মধ্যে তোমরা করবে ইউ হ্যাভ অ্যান ইন্টারেস্টিং ফেস, এই প্রশ্নটা করিও। রোজার লুক অ্যাট দ্য ডোর, লুক অ্যাট দ্য ওমেন, এই প্রশ্নটা করিও। ফরগিভ মি। আর রয়েছে এখানে হাউ ডাজ দ্য পোয়েট এক্সপ্রেস দ্য ফিউটিলিটি অফ ওয়ার, দিস ইজ ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোশ্চেন্স, এটা মাস্ট পড়িও। এরপর এই দুটো প্রশ্ন পড়বে। রাইট এ ব্রিফ the argument between Lomo and Natalia on their dog. The argument number 2. Comment on the significance of the title, the play, the proposal. Letter ragging in education institution important to the editor, the statesman, Kolkata 7001. Ragging in educational institution. Sir, through the columns of your daily, I would like to draw your attention to the cruel act of ragging in educational institutions all over the world. The practice or ragging has been taking place in educational institutions for a long time. Often it starts as a fun activity, but sometimes it takes a very cruel form. Ragging can be different from physical, verbal, or emotional, which leaves far-reaching consequences for students, and the act of ragging makes the students very vulnerable and feel scared and unwelcome, and this kind of act make any education institution shameful. Learning should not be like that. It's time to come together and address this social issue. Every educational institution needs to be an anti-ragging cell led by any teacher, where any students can complain about any mishap happening to them. Also, ragging needs to be treated as a punishable offense. As students, we need to be detached from this kind of activity. Students need to create awareness camps in the institution so that all students from junior to senior can come close in friendliness. By standing against this social evil, we will ensure that our education institution is safe for everyone. We will ensure a good learning experience for everyone. Thank you. Biplab বিশ্বাস।